My sweet little turtle. Please give me a kiss. Please give me a hug. Please say good night. I am going to bed. Good night, sweetie, said the little turtle. Open and find, said the big blue parrot. Stop talking at once, said the little mouse. Where is the mouse? I can't find it, said the big black cat. Little dog. I just got home. Open the door and let's go. May we ride a bike? May we fly a kite? May I give you a big high five? Again, and once again. Let's get going. Let's play. I see a little hamster. I take it from the table. I put it in the cage. I see a little beetle. I take it from the floor. I put it in the tree.